We use words all the time, but they mean different things to each of us, and when we take the time to define them, our subconscious hears what it actually means, and now it makes it easier for it to come our way. It makes us easier to follow through on what we say we want to do, or who we say we want to be. This core values sheet, it says place a check mark next to 20 values that you feel are important to a life well lived. From the 20 values that you have checked, select 10 that you feel are critical to a life well lived and circle them. From those 10 values that you circled, choose 5 that are most important to you. Then what I want you to do is I want you to take whatever the word is and I want you to actually define it. So say I was working with the word respect, okay, then what I want to do is define what respect means to me. So to me it means being heard. People value my time. I respect myself. So see how as I write that down, you might be sitting there going, that's not what I would have written. That's why it's so important for you to define your 5 words. I do this activity with clients who are looking for maybe new friends, maybe new lovers, and what's amazing about it is that when you get really clear with what you're looking for in a partner or a friend or yourself, you start to be able to see it when it's in front of you. You start to naturally attract those qualities and traits. I actually gave this assignment to a woman who was 63, and I had her come up with 63 words that described her and fill out what each of those words meant to her. Yeah, boy, did her life change. Holy smokes, she ended up becoming an entrepreneur, a very successful one in town. She was full of confidence, she knew herself.